girl, you're taking your time. Why you do me like this? You know me loving your wine. Pretty girl, you're giving me signs. And you tell me you don't want me, can you make up your mind?
Hello guys, we are back in the car. Now you see us, now you don't.
I'm tired.
We're hungry.
We are hungry, we are heading to...
He woke me up at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, right.
Like, that's 6 o'clock. Probably about 6:30. I woke him up just to prank him, you know. Just prank him, just to, you know, mess with him.
It's about Merry Christmas. I think I actually thought
Turn
that was
on the
Christmas.
AC, I'm freezing.
He said turn on the AC?
Turn down or up, whatever. I'm freezing.
We are going to get something to nyam right now.
I need coffee.
So if you're watching another vlog, smash the like button, notification gang, notification squad. Run it, make we done it. Okay, where are we going? What's the name of the place? Perkins.
We've never been here before.
We're gonna try it out.
We're gonna try it.
We're gonna try it. Ooh la la, look at Danielle touching my muffin. Look at this lovely breakfast.
Guys, that was so yummy. Who picked that place?
Chad.
Me.
Chad.
I did, actually.
Chad.
I did.
Anything that Danielle picked.
I saw it first.
So
I picked nothing so far. We're going to the outlet mall. So that's
didn't pick it.
my fave. Actually, my fave is the crab place that we're gonna go to tonight.
is it? Yo, it's like 8 minutes down the road here.
What?
The outlet mall.
Is it left?
Yeah, it's right there. So guys, I'm gonna go see if I can find anything. Bradley's actually the one that's gonna have to take care of everyone.
Kinda 30. I'm past 30. I'm off the damn.
I was trying to make you sound a little younger.
You know what? I do look good for my age though. Except them.
No.
Shut up.
Really.
Oh, I don't.
Not really.
What's this?
You might need some dye, bro. I think you need some dye. He needs some dye.
Yo, we not put up with this.
We have arrived at the outlets. We don't know where we're going yet. I found him. I have him.
Outlets, guys.
I have
If you
him.
want to know how to get to outlets, just get to the outlets. That's how you do it.
Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Wanting clothes on vacation. Can't pack enough. What are you doing?
Buying.
Buying. Buying.
You look on back. We just currently got back and we changed. Avi, we just changed. We're gonna go to City Walk. Not City Walk, Disney Walk, or whatever they call it. That Disney place, that Disney pretty place. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about, though. You guys know what I'm talking about. Comment down below. And then after that, we're gonna go to Daniel's special place. And it's called the Shrimp Place. It's all about eating shrimp. What we're gonna do after that, we're gonna probably play mini golf because Bradley wants to play mini golf. He never played mini golf before. You want to play mini golf? Yeah. I'm gonna take a L.
Oh God, you're here.
Oh God, look what Danielle has in her hand. Look, show them what you have.
I'm bringing this in case.
What?
That's Danielle's favorite thing.
In case we go to that place.
We bought it last time we went. That's where we're going.
Don't be hater.
That's where we're going right now.
We're going to.
You look cute though.
Thanks, Hope.
We're going to. Hey, stop.
I didn't say ho, but you. It's all good. You wanna come be me?
Why are you drinking a beer?
Cause I wanna drink a beer.
Why are you drinking my beer? I bought that beer. Stop doing that. It's like last time I bought 24 beers, brought them to your house. You drank every one except.
It was it 24 or 12?
12.
12, and I drank off 12.
And they're very refreshing too.
But I didn't drink it off every day. I mean, like, one day I didn't drink off 24. I drank it like every other day.
It was 12, not 24. You're not an alcoholic.
It's the right 2 lanes to take the exit toward Disney Springs and Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Oh my God, Disney!
Like, come look at this. With the antlers.
You know, like when these things like burn off your head back?
Yeah.
Oh.
Time where there was a girl
I'm
wearing antlers.
I'm mini.
She's not wearing antlers.
And she swears she was mini.
She swears she was mini.
I am mini.
Imagine, a Lego Hulk can still whoop your ass. Out here sipping his rum runner. Look at him. Out here drinking his Coke. Look at him. Out here drinking pina colada. Look at her.
I'm getting caught in the rain.
And I'm out here
Coffee and Andrew.
copying Andrew. Don't know what the thing go. Rum runner to the soul, make you run like
They're really
gold.
good.
Princess Nala. Princess Nala. Come back.
Yeah, I get it.
Princess Nala. Come back. Come back. Excuse me, sir.
What?
You're not a kid.
Dog, it's a lifesaver. I want to make a lifesaver.
You're not a kid.
The
Put it.
lifesaver.
I said put it down. Put it down. Yeah, man, a real gator, you know. Biggest gator you ever see. Look my move. Are you scared? No?
How's it going, Chad?
I'm burnt. I'm burnt.
Jesus, for real.
The last half an hour was adrenaline rush. I'm burnt. I'm tired. I'm tired.
What?
You're tired?
How did you get a name like
Tired.
Is that even in the English dictionary?
Yes.
So we just did the impossible. The impossible just happened. Look at Danielle.
If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it.
Alright, we're done. We're going for food now. Get something to eat to Danielle's favorite seafood restaurant, which has a whole bunch of stuff. And I just getting some fried shrimp.
Woo, fire.
Where
are we? Where are we? I asked her where we're in, and she asked where
My favorite food place.
favorite food place.
Yep.
Favorite food place.
I know I'm getting already. I'm getting a small gumbo.
Gumbo.
Then I'm gonna get a combo platter with crab,
Combo platter with shrimp,
crayfish,
crayfish,
corn.
corn,
Then I'm gonna get fresh vignettes.
vignettes to the thing. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. So this is the pork gumbo that Danielle made me eat. It's Danielle's fault.
Dunzo.
What did I do?
Dunzo.
What did I do?
It's all done. What you have to say about yourself?
Danielle, destroy everything.
Me? You really?
No,
Look on your side.
I can deal with you, Chad.
I only had 1 pound of shrimp.
One whole. That's all you.
1 pound of shrimp.
That's all you.
2 potatoes, 2 corn.
Look at this, guys. Look at this. The fire.
They weren't even done yet.
Alright guys, we finally got home. But guess what we're gonna do right now? Just guess. We're gonna play mini golf. Bradley has never played mini golf in his life, and we're gonna teach him how to play mini golf. I don't even know how to do it, but I'm gonna teach him how to do it, you know? So we out here playing golf. Look at them losers here. Right now.
Oh.
You got it? Almost got in?
Almost got in.
Yo, cover your butt, bro. Danielle, how you feel about this? Are you losing?
Yes.
You are losing.
It took me 6 to hit 1. 6 times to hit 1.
2. That's 2 tries. 2 tries. Look at you, can't make it. 3 tries. 3 tries. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. 4 tries. Danielle's up. Let's see if she can get this one. She needs to catch up. But she's probably leading right now because Andrew just did 7. Me bombo. Me bombo. I want that. Swing on miss. Oh my god, can it make it? Can it make it? Ooh! That's a good hit, babe. That was a good hit. He's about to get this in right now. Here we go. Oh! 2 tries. Now that's a general. Big up yourself.
Can this loser? This loser.
You think he's Happy Gilmore? No. Everybody was way back there. Your teeth.
Oh, no.
You further back. Your teeth.
I was out.
I want to someone.
Ready?
Go Happy Gilmore. Yes.
Oh my god.
We'll soon get it.
Yeah, man. Go around. 2 tries. So.
If you don't get this, damn, you ain't shit.
Back in the game without losing.
3. No, don't touch it. 4.
How you feel? 4
Don't worry, I'll
tries.
get it back. I'll get it back, guys. It was a test and an error. We're currently halfway there, and Danielle is taking an L so far.
No.
And Andrew's taking an L.
I'll take the L, but somebody's getting.
Nobody never see it, so nobody would know.
So I just had the worst.
Look at Andrew. Look at Andrew. L again. Oh my God. Hell.
No, get that. I want to redo.
No.
Andrew is taking his last
Watch how
hole.
it's
Whoa. Pause.
Get down technical. Get down technical on them.
Get up.
And does that make a hole in one? No, it doesn't. So you just waste that. You waste the shot, boy. Can Danielle do it? Can she get the shot in? Can Danielle get the shot in? With oh my God, she did it for the second try. Oh, beautiful. She screamed out like one gal. And can Bradley do it? You can't see him because the lights. Look at this. Bradley's ball coming all the way down. And ooh, good try.
There's the thief now. Watch out, ball, everyone.
Why are you running down the wall?
Guys, this is how you do it without looking. This is how you do it.
That was bad.
Do it like cricket style.
Can you hurry up? No.
Alright, serious now, serious.
4.
4.
5.
5.
Yo, warm up and ball. Hell, we get locked up enough for 20 years now. You see that girl over here, so? And she cause it. And she cause it.
My head can't really fit.
Yeah, cause head too damn big and you cause me there.
My leg's too short. My leg's too short.
Anyways, people, we get 20 to life. We're soon dead. Look at him, the champion, first place. And he was about to cry because he thought he was going to lose.
I'm second.
Danielle came second.
Hold on. Wait, did you
And I came third. I came third.
They tied for third?
No, I came third.
I came last.
And this guy here, taking L's every day, bro. How much L's you collected?
I've lost count.
You lost count.
I think
Took a L, took a L, took a L, took a L. Just say it, I took an L. I appreciate L's nowadays.
I have taken L's all weekend. From we have left Thursday, I've been taking L's.
Good. This place right here, fire. I haven't eaten the food yet, but it's fire.
You know how you know it's fire?
It's fire. Oh God, look at this. Look at this. Oh God, fire. Look at Andrew. Look, listen, that's fire.
Hi guys! So my experience of this trip was good. It was really hot and I got a ring. So I had the best experience of the whole trip. Everybody else's experience was kind of boring. I joke. Not so boring. The park was good, but it was just really hot. I don't know if the sun is a little different on this side, but it's really hot down here. But we're going home now. Bradley, what was your experience of the trip?
It was good.
What did you like the most?
Mini golf because I beat you all.
Oh yeah, mini golf was good because he came first.
I got a hole in one. Finally.
Yeah, he did get a hole in one.
My experience of the trip was amazing, right? It was the longest 4 months of keeping a secret. I have to get that off my chest. You know how hard I wanted to bust the secret about the ring? But we finally did it. It is locked, sealed, and delivered. I'm done.
And I'm my fiance.
Oh shit. I'm stuck with her for the rest of my life.
Pretty girl, you're taking your time. Why you do me like this? You know me loving your wine. Pretty girl, you're giving me signs. Then you tell me you don't want me. Can you make up your mind?